I'll slit his throat, stick in the mud, and let his blood choke him. Up north, niggas get the dick stuck up in them. And in the streets, bitches get the dick stuck up in them. My M.O. is manslaughter, kid. It's on the rails, I don't hit up more motherfuckers than water did. Slid, cause I got the style when the dirt is done. I'm a child, but they want me on a murder one. But as long as I got my gun, I'm a hype. Stay out of sight while it's light. If it come out at night, to make moves again, stomp and bruise again. I know I'm going to hell if I choose to sit on my motherfucking life up in the devil's advocate. Now niggas never even knew the devil had a kid, but he does, and when you hit a buzz of a chainsaw,